be showing you the squishies that I bought from a Japanese website called Rakuten. Here is the bunch of squishies that I bought. The first thing I saw was this clear plastic bag. It came with this washi tape. Here is the letter, you can pause to read it. The first squishy is this Hello Kitty in an apple. Here is the tag. It came with this stretchy pink strap. It is very soft but not very squishy. And the seller gave me the original one. The next squishy is this Hello Kitty, I think on a ribbon. Here's the tag. This squishy has two patterns. One is this one, another one is the polka dot one. This one is quite squishy. The next one is this little twin star unicorn. Here is the tag. It came with this cell phone dust plug. Very soft. I like the cloudy texture on this squishy. Next squishy is this bear school character hugging a lollipop. Here's the tag. It also came with this dust plug. Super squishy. Uncle Nick's sushi squishy. I bought the salmon one. I like its packaging. This one is also super squishy. Super realistic. Next is this big stretch sausage. This one is very heavy. Inside the squishy. You can also stretch it. I totally recommend this to be a stress reliever. Here is the packaging. Super cute. Actually, I still have one last squishy. YouTuber gave it to me. Her name is Twinkle Fantasy. She gave me send me the Fantasia Christmas prototype. Super duper squishy. My favorite squishy for this haul is this bear school character hugging a lollipop. That's all for today. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye!